Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Vuyokazi posted this screen grab of, I guess someone shared this with him. As you can see, it's a WhatsApp group titled Ama Vuyokazi Amahle. Then it says a couple of ladies reached out to me to help them do something for Vuyokazi's son. She wasn't even aware of this whole thing. This is ridiculously sad, but thank you so much, ladies. And you can see they added Vicky, and it says, Vicky, we are planning to make something for Unzulu, so we want you to be part of this. So guys, 170 members in that group. Mind you, guys, this is 170 strangers, guys. When we say that Vuyokazi has a large following, guys, and people genuinely love this girl, like people genuinely love her. Guys, even in your own life, besides being a celeb, abantu about 170 coming together ngenxa yakho, I asinabo shame. And that's why if you just have that one person in your corner, guys, who is willing to move mountains and celebrate you, it is a blessing on its own. So I would understand how Vuyokazi must be feeling so overwhelmed and appreciative by this gesture by strangers. So guys, I was like wondering, why something for Unzulu? Like, what is in Zulu okay? Or is it his birthday? Up until I saw Uviki's story, and where she was actually sharing something about this. And she wrote, I am highly disappointed in whoever decided to leak what was happening in the group. Females need to do better. To all the ladies who are doing this beautiful gesture, God will never forget your hands. Please continue being an amazing woman. Nenzenjalo na wabanye. The whole idea was to do something for Uvuyo's son's birthday as a surprise for Uvuyo. We totally forgot that there will be that one person who will look for attention. And guys, I'm just like, why did that person have to be like that, guys? Because eventually it was gonna come out. So loa muntu nje bega papa, because why you wanna ruin something that could have been so extra special by telling Vuyokazi or leaking it to someone that you know would then spread the word. That person umungu, in a sense, what? Just guys, just don't be that person. But I do want to say this is such a beautiful gesture, guys, and I think it would have been so perfect considering that Vuyokazi is going through whatever she's going through, guys. But anyway, even though the surprise element is taken away from it, because Vuyokazi is like, hey, but what's happening, Vicky? Nenzan la, what are you guys planning? I think still it is a beautiful thing, and I think she's still going to love the gesture of whatever they are planning to do, you guys. But I think that is so beautiful, you guys, and I think we need to be more kinder to one another, guys. And when I'm saying kinder even to the people that you don't necessarily view as your favorites, because I think it's so easy for us to be kind and nice to the people we love, the people we favor. But let's us do it even nabantu that we don't like you don't have to buy them gifts, but let's just be kind, guys, because people are going through the most. And just sometimes just being kind or polite to someone, sometimes it just gives them the light that, you know what, yes, there's a lot of evil going on in this world, but there's still hope. There's still a hope. So this is a reminder, ladies, that if you see that lady wearing a nice dress, compliment and say, yaze akufanele leyo ngubo. If you see a nice hairstyle, tell someone, that hairstyle is nice. Not ask ukuthi Marlene uyenze kuphi. Oh, and leaving it there. Just ask, guys. In 2024 we can't be doing that, but that is just to say that as ladies we are capable of uplifting one another, and I genuinely believe that this has made Vuyokazi feel a lot better, to think that it's not, yes, it's an internet thing of people love you, but there's genuinely people out there who are willing to come together, spend their money together on a child that they've never met, never mind Vuyokazi, guys, and that's beautiful. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.